In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your domain name to Cloudflare. So if you're interested to use Cloudflare to manage your DNS, keep watching. I'm using Chrome, typing Cloudflare, sign up. Okay, fill the details, just pass your email and a strong password and click create. Save your password. Okay, they'll send you your email. Verify your email. Give it a second. Your email is now successfully verified. Okay, so go back to dashboard. As you can see, we have not added any site, so add a site. I will add Josh wp.xyz. Click add. Scroll all the way down. We want the free option. Okay, click continue. So Cloudflare will try to retrieve any DNS records that are associated with the domain. In this case, there is none, so I will add two records, an A record and a CNAME record. So I'm adding a A record. There is root. At my IP address, I'm using Volta high frequency. So I'll scroll down and get my IP address. Okay, how do IP address there? Once done, click save. And then I will add a second record, a CNAME record for the subdomain. So click CNAME, www. The target of this Josh wp.xyz. Once done, click save. Click continue. Okay, you'll be prompted to add Cloudflare's name servers to a domain register. In this case, I'm using name silo. Go to name servers, change this name server, best copy there. Okay, that one. Okay, paste it there. Okay, remove that one, we don't need that one, and then click change.